Hi there, I'm Ismail from Pearl Lemon, and welcome to this video where we talk about ranking high-end queries. Not all keywords are equal. Some people want information, some want to buy almost immediately, but there's a powerful middle stage, commercial investigation. Searches like best running shoes, top CRM software, Shopify versus WooCommerce, Ahrefs reviews, these users are close to buying. Today, we'll break down what commercial investigation queries are, why they are powerful, and how to optimize for them correctly. Commercial investigation queries happen when someone is researching before making a decision. They are not just browsing, they are evaluating, they are comparing, narrowing options. This is high value traffic. In the buyer journey, awareness is basically, if we are using a project management software example, awareness is what is project management software. Consideration is best management software in terms of the keywords that they search for. Then the decision is by Asana pricing. So they've decided on Asana and they are now asking about Asana specifically. Commercial investigation lives in the consideration stage. So they are still looking for the best option. And that's where persuasion matters the most. When someone searches best email marketing software, they are not casually reading, they are comparing tools. They are close to purchasing. That's why these keywords often have high CPC and higher affiliate value, and also higher conversion rates. Now, if we were to search best CRM software, we would notice some patterns that Google favors list style article, comparison tables, structured breakdowns, and also pros and cons sessions. If you don't match the SERP format, you won't rank. So let's check and see. We are searching for best CRM software. So we already have a snippet and you can see listicle. This is probably a comparison table. Listicle, listicle right here. All these are lists. So if you don't match this format, you won't rank. Now, what is the best way to structure? A strong commercial page starts with clarity. You need to give readers a quick comparison table, then structured sections for each option. You need to include pros, cons, use cases, pricing review to make decisions easier. That's what Google rewards. X review X review queries demand depth. This is for review keywords. Google wants experience signals, original insights, not generic summaries, and you need to add screenshots and you need to explain who the product is not for. Include real evaluations. Thin affiliate style reviews will struggle nowadays. Now, for comparison pages, comparison keywords are powerful. For example, Shopify versus WooCommerce. Structure matters. Start with a clear comparison table, then break down the comparison in terms of pricing, features, ease of use, scalability, then end with a situational verdict. Not just this wins, but this wins for the beginners, this wins for developers. So you need to explain the pros and cons of each product and advise people based on the stage that they are what would be best for them. Now, let's look at some common mistakes to avoid. Most commercial pages fail because they copy same product list, same structure, same wording. Google now evaluates helpfulness and originality. If your page looks like any other list, it will not stand out. Now, what makes it stand out? EEAT. Commercial pages are sensitive. Google looks carefully at experience, expertise, trust signals, and authority that you have demonstrated. You need to add author bios, testing methodologies, last updated dates, clear affiliate disclosures. Trust improves ranking sustainability. So you need to appear as qualified as possible to Google. Now, the next thing to consider is also your internal linking strategy. Your blog content should funnel into traffic commercial pages. For example, how to choose a CRM links to best CRM software. This builds topic authority and moves users deeper into the conversation. Commercial queries, to end, are not about traffic, they are about conversions. If you match the SERP format, provide real evaluations, build trust signals, and structure clearly, these pages can become your highest revenue drivers. If you found this content to be useful, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. You can ask me any questions and we'll be sure to answer you soon. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on the next one. Goodbye.